Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take under chemical kinetics the second subunit, the rate of a chemical reaction. The rate of chemical reaction. I am Dr. R. Gunasegaran, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Rate of a chemical reactions. To understand rate of a chemical reaction, let us consider a general reaction, small a, capital A, that is AA plus BB, arrow CC plus DD. That is equation number 1. Where small a, small b, moles of reactants, small c, the capital A, capital B, reactants. Small c, small d, moles of products, the capital C, capital D, products. According to law of mass action, that is rate law, the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the products of concentration of the reactants. Please follow. This we have already discussed at the equilibrium. The rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to products of the concentration of the reactant. Therefore, mathematically, I can write rate is directly proportional to capital A within square bracket to the power of x and capital B within square bracket to the power of y. That is equation 2. So, in order to equate this equation, I will write now rate equal to K into, that is the square root of A to the power of x, square root of B to the power of y. That is third equation, where K is the rate constant. Kindly follow. So here we are interested only rate. Kindly follow. But in these equations, what are the other important things are there? Kindly follow. This is the rate law. All the terms are coming here. Kindly follow. What are the rate is coming? That is we are giving important in this particular chapter. Rate constant, another we will be discussing later. Active mass concentration, that is again the sum of the exponential x plus y, it is order. So everything we are going to study later. So here x plus y may or may not equal to A or B. The moles of the reactants x plus y equal to order of the reactions. Kindly follow. So to understand these reactions, kindly follow this energy profile diagram, the rate. So when you plot energy versus reaction coordinate for any chemical reaction, you will get either this curve or this curve. This is for exothermic reaction, this is for endothermic reaction. So this is the transition state. So this is the reactants, this is the product. Kindly follow. The energy difference between transition state and react is called energy of activation. And same way, the between product and reactant, that is delta H. Here product is having low energy, reactant is having high energy. So excess energy release, so it is exothermic. Whereas coming over this side, the delta H is positive, endothermic. Kindly follow. So here one important information I want to give, because we have already in the first unit types of chemical reaction, I have discussed the theory. So where I have already explained what is energy of activation. Let me repeat again, there is no harm in that. So normally according to theory, collision theory, so in molecules in a chemical reactions undergo collision during reactions. So some molecule will have high energy, some molecule will have low energy. So on collision they will exchange their energy. After a particular time, some fraction of molecule possess slightly higher energy than average energy of the molecule. This energy is called energy of activation, usually represented by EA. Kindly follow. Right? Now, With this energy of activation, kindly follow. Now the reactants, we are adding the reactant, no. So that reactants molecule, they collides and they are giving some energy. So that is added to the energy of activation. The total energy is called threshold energy. So overall total energy is called threshold energy. Kindly follow. So then we can know what is energy of activation. The total threshold energy minus energy of colliding reactant molecules. Colliding reacting molecules. So this is the most important, you must understand. Only molecules having energy of activation cross over energy barrier, after getting the threshold energy, converted into products. Kindly follow. So, coming for the rate now, if energy of activation is higher, rate will be smaller. Energy of activation is less, rate will be faster. Okay, let me go now. Rate of a chemical reaction. The rate of a chemical reaction is defined as the rate of change in concentration of a reactant or product in a particular time interval. In a particular time interval. Let me repeat again. The rate of a chemical reaction is defined as the rate of change in concentration of a reactant or product in a particular time interval. For example, in the reaction AA plus BB arrow CC plus DD, I can represent the rate of a chemical reaction like this. Kindly follow. Minus 1 by A into dA by dt, that is equal to minus 1 by B into dB by dt, that is equal to 1 by C into dC by dt equal to 1 by D into dd by dt. The one important information just I want to point out here, you students, you must know. Left side reactants, when reaction proceed, concentration decreases, so minus sign indicated. The product side, the products going on increasing, indicating positive charge. So whatever mole, that will be coming below, that's all. 1 by B, 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by D. The only difference is minus for reactant plus for products. This is the most important. For a specific example, let me explain, then you can understand. Let me take a specific example, formation of HI. 1 mole of H2 gas and 1 mole of I2 gas to produce 2 moles of HI gas. In this case, the rate equal to minus dH2 by dt, that is equal to minus di2 by dt, that is equal to 1 by 2 dHi by dt. So this is nothing but rate of a chemical reaction. We can represent for anything. So normally question will be asked. They will give any unknown example and say what is the correct the rate of chemical reaction. Correct representation of rate of chemical reaction. Please follow. Now, what are the factors which affect the rate of chemical reactions? A number of factors are there. 1. Nature of reactants will affect the rate of chemical reactions. Concentration of the reactants, temperature, pressure in the case of gases, nature of solvent, and finally catalyst will affect the rate of chemical reaction. So let me explain one by one. Kindly follow. First, let me take number 1, nature of reactants. Kindly follow. During your practical classes in +1 or +2 level, you are doing permanganometry titrations. That is, in the burette, you are taking potassium permanganate. In the conical flask, you will be taking ferrous sulfate. Kindly follow. Here, there is no indicator is necessary. That is, potassium permanganate itself is acting as an internal indicator. Appearance of pink color is the end point. So here 20 ml of ferrous sulfate plus the equal to 20 ml of dilute sulfuric acid should be added. Through that, you can directly add potassium permanganate. Appearance of pink color is the endpoint. So kindly follow. In the first case, in cold itself, it is taking place. Nature of reactant. Whereas in the second case, the same titration, but instead of ferrous sulfate, if you take oxalic acid, crystalline oxalic acid, that is 2H2O, crystalline oxalic acid, kindly follow, and again plus sulfuric acid, present dilute sulfuric acid. So if you titrate in cold, it will not, reaction is very, very, very slow. So what we have to do now, so heat the conical flask by putting a wire guard and tripod stand with the help of a burner, heat to 72 or the 80 degree. Just boil it, 70 to 80 degree. Just one bubble comes, please take it out with the help of a test tube holder, and you can, even with the kerchief, you can now shake. But when you add slowly, drop wise potassium permanganate, shake, initially the reaction will be very slow, and slowly reaction become faster. The idea here is the nature of reaction, the rate of, this is both are oxidation reaction. Both are redox reaction. That is, permanganate is an oxidizing agent, ferrous sulfate is reducing agent. Ferrous sulfate is getting oxidized, permanganate is getting reduced. Is a redox. The rate of this redox reaction, kindly follow. In the case of ferrous sulfate, in cold, it is taking place. It is taking place only in the hot temperature, 70 to 80 degree. So, nature of reactants will affect the rate. Please follow. This is the very, very important. Then coming for the concentration of the reactant also will affect the rate. Take for physical example, a general example, AA plus BB giving CC plus DD. For this, I am writing rate equal to rate constant e to the power of x, p to the power of y, where x plus y is nothing but order of the reaction. Sum of the exponential power, order of the reaction. Kindly follow what is A. This is the active mass of A, active mass of B. That by N by V, it is the active mass. Kindly follow. So, now what I am saying, active mass, that is A and B, is defined as molar concentration of substance expressed by in mole per decimeter cube. Mole volume is in decimeter cube, that is liter. Decimeter cube or per liter, mole per liter. That is the definition. Kindly follow. Now, in this case, so active mass, I told you already, Na by V. So, what is N? Weight by molecular weight. That is Na, so V. So, this is the active mass. In the case of gases, for ideal gases, PV equal to nRT, so that NV equal to P by RT. So, we can now plot P by RT for gases. The idea here it is, if the concentration of the active mass of A and B are double, kindly follow, this is the rate equal to rate constant into active mass of the reactant, active mass of the product we have seen already. What is the rate? Rate equal to rate constant into the active mass of A into X and the active mass of B into Y. Here X equal to Y equal to 1. Assume that. So now what at this condition, what we are going to now, so let us, if it is 1, 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, then rate constant equal to rate. Rate constant equal to rate. Suppose if I am doubling this, the constant instead of 1, I am doubling. When I double this, what will happen? 2 into 2, 4. So automatically 4K it is coming. So if the concentration of A and B are double, the rate of reaction will increase to 4 times. Kindly follow that. What is the indication? The concentration of the reactant will increase the rate of the chemical reaction. That is the final conclusion. The units of rate reaction. The units of rate of chemical reactions are concentration per time. If the concentration is in mole per liter and the time is in second, then units will be mole per liter per second. However, in gaseous reaction, when the concentration of gas is expressed in terms of partial pressure, the units of rate reaction will be atmosphere per second. Please follow. The third important factor, temperature. Temperature plays an important role in the rate to determine the rate of a reaction. Generally, increasing the temperature will increase the rate of a chemical reaction. The rate of a chemical reaction increases by factor of 2 to 3 times for every 10 degree range in temperature. Kindly follow. Suppose I have a rate measured at 25 degrees centigrade. Suppose we will assume rate is 1. Then at 35 degree, that is 10, every 10 degree rise, so this will increase to 2 to 3 times. Kindly follow. So the rate of a chemical reaction increases by a factor of 2 to 3 times for every 10 degree rise in temperature. Please follow. So, in order to understand, Arrhenius, a famous scientist, has given an equation called Arrhenius equation, which is giving the relationship between the rate constant and the temperature. Please follow. So, this is the equation, Arrhenius equation. K, small k equal to A capital A into e to the power of minus EA by RT. This is the Arrhenius equation, where A is a factor, Arrhenius factor, EA energy of activation, R constant, T temperature, K rate constant. Take Ln, that is Ln on both sides. We get Ln K, Ln A minus E by RT. So R here 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So plot Ln K versus 1 by T, will get a slope. The slope is nothing but minus EA by RT. So RT, from this we can be able to calculate energy of activation. The idea here it is, higher the value of EA, please follow, slower is the rate. Kindly follow. This is negative. So higher the value of energy of activation, slower is the rate. Now I will get another equation, same Arrhenius, the another form. What way? I will write again Arrhenius equation, A frequency factor or Arrhenius factor. So now taking natural logarithm on both sides, I can write 2.03 log K equal to 2.03 log A minus EA by RT, equation 2. Divide throughout by 2.03. What I am getting, log K by log A equal to log A minus EA by 2.03. That is 3. Kindly follow. Now I am plotting log K versus 1 by T. Now I am getting the slope is minus EA by 2.03 R. That is, here we can able to calculate energy of activation. Now kindly follow, by using this equation, kindly follow what equation? This equation, this is number 3, I can write for 2 different temperatures. I will derive another equation so that you will have a very good relationship you can see between temperature. Kindly follow. Suppose I am taking now log K1 equal to log A minus EA by 2.03 or T1. That means for a particular temperature T1, the rate constant is K1. The same way here, for different temperature is T2, higher temperature, the rate constant increases K2. So from these two, subtract 4 from 5, we will get log K2 minus log K1 equal to minus EA by 2.03 or T2 minus within bracket minus EA by 2.3. So my rearrangement, I will write in this form, EA by 2.03 or 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2, or I will more convenient form, I can write this. Log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.03 or into T2 minus T1 by T2. So this is the value. So the ratio of rate constants now depends upon the temperature. Since rate depends on rate constant, so we say rate depends on temperature. Please follow. The fourth factor, pressure. So pressure, the rate of only applicable for gases. Pressure is applicable only for gases. So increase of pressure increases the rate of chemical reaction of gaseous reactants. Pressure has little effect on rates of reaction involving solids and liquids. So it is valid only in gaseous reactor. Please follow. Nature of solvent plays another important role which affects the rate. So solvent I can classify into two. One is polar solvent, another is non-polar solvent. What is the polar, non-polar? That is based on the dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. By measuring dielectric constant, we can. So the solvent having high dielectric constant will be polar. Low dielectric constant will be non-polar. Or simply by seeing the structure, any polarizable functional group like OH, COH, like that, if there are groups, if it is present, that will be polar solvent. So water is a polar solvent. Kindly follow. HOH plus and plus. This is partial 2 minus. Kindly follow. Water is a polar solvent. What is non-polar? All organic solvent like hexane, heptane, these are all the polar, non-polar solvent. So generally rate of a chemical reaction will be faster in polar solvent, whereas rate of a chemical reaction will be generally slower in non-polar solvent. So polarity of the solvent will affect the rate. Let me come for the another important factor, catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which lowers the energy of activation of a reaction, but the catalyst is not used up in the course of the reaction. Thus, the amount of catalyst present at the end of the reaction is same as the amount is present at the beginning. Even though catalyst is involved in the reaction, but at the last, it remains as such without any change. Kindly follow. But what is the advantage? For example, I will give now a specific example. For example, MnO2 catalyzes the following reaction. That is, decomposition of potassium chlorate to produce potassium chloride and oxygen. So if you consider this reaction, without MnO2, the rate will be very slow. But in presence of MnO2 catalyst, the rate will be faster. That means catalyst will increase the rate. How can it increase? It will decrease the energy of activation. Catalyst will decrease the energy of activation because it is colliding with the reactant molecule. So it is giving some more energy to obtain the threshold energy. That's why it is fast. It is believed that the catalyst provides an alternate pathway or reaction mechanism by reducing activation energy between reactants and products. It is clear from Arrhenius equation K equal to A into e to the power of EA by RT that lower the value of activation energy, faster will be the rate of chemical reaction. Kindly follow. Now, a catalyst does not alter Gibbs free energy delta G. It is observed that catalyst does not change the equilibrium constant of the reaction, K, equilibrium constant of the reaction, but it helps to attain equilibrium faster. That is the only thing. That is, it catalyzes forward as well as backward reaction to the same extent so that the equilibrium remains constant, but it is reached earlier. Kindly follow. That is the action of catalyst. So just see here, the first case without catalyst, the activation, this is the transition state. So the energy activation is larger, and this is in presence of catalyst, the energy of activation is smaller. So lower the energy of activation, reaction rate will be small. So catalyst will, by decreasing the energy of activation, increase the rate. Please follow. Now, next, let me go for methods of measuring rate. How we have to measure the rates. This is not available in your book, please. Kindly listen me. Just only the method alone you can memorize, that's enough. Not in detail we have to go, because it is not given in your book. By titration method, doing titration, we can measure the rate of a chemical reactions. Number 2, by observing color changes, we can determine the rate. By determining volume changes, we can determine the rate. By determining the pressure changes, we can determine the rate. Then by measuring the conductivity changes, we can measure the rate. And finally, by measuring the change of rotation of plane polarized light, we can measure the rate. Kindly follow. So these are the methods available. Kindly follow. So I have come to the chapter. Dear students, thank you very much for the kind cooperation given for me. If you are the first time you are looking into the NEET Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekaran channel and we are viewing, finally I am very much thankful to you. Kindly click like and press subscribe button so that my all videos will reach you in time. And this is I am giving to only to help poor students of India, so they need not go to any institution. If you follow the NEET Chemistry channel, the entire chemistry starting from 8th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th topics, all the units are covered with up to BH level, so that you can write exam, IIT or any medical entrance examination easily, and in your board examination you will get 100 out of 100 in chemistry. That is 200 out of 200 you can get. For students who are waiting for NEET entrance examination conducted by Government of India, that is +1, +2 and the completed student, +2 completed students, that is repeaters, for you I have a good news. We are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 20 years. And we have a website called Vetri.us. If you enter into Vetri.us, in the home page, you can see our 20 years of achievement. I will give you 1 or 2 achievements. Everything will be given with the photograph evidence. Name, school, rank, everything. Every year, 10 to 20 students from Vetri Coaching Center are joining in Jipper Medical College. 150 to 200 students are joining in other medical colleges. Hundreds of students are joining engineering. A few students are joining IIT. This is the most important. Another important achievement of us, in 2003, R. Srinivasa Raghavan, one of our Vetri student from Patrick School, got All India first rank. At that time, NEET examination was not there. NEET common entrance examination was not there. So this is our achievement. So I want to give 3 important features we have Vetri.us. So if you join Vetri.us, I can give guarantee you will get minimum 600 to 700 marks guarantee. I can give guarantee. If you join Vetri.us and if you study 2 years in this, 100% I give guarantee. So now, let me give now about Vetri.us. In Vetri.us, we have 200 video lesson, 200 unit tests we have. All the 200 video lessons were taken by professors with doctorate degree having experience of 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT and medical coaching, also BSc, MSc and the MPhil PhD students. So senior people, professors are handling the classes, so you will have very clear idea. And coming for unit tests, the interesting information I want to bring to you, all the question it is for each unit. Here, say for example, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. Under the chemical kinetics, you will have two tests. Test 1, test 2. Kindly follow. Each one have 45 questions. Each one have 45. So, my dear students, all these questions, for example, 90 questions in two tests. All these questions are taken from 20 years of IIT question papers, AIMS question papers, AFMC question papers, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So only the previous year question papers are framed here in the 200 unit test. So what is the advantage? I can tell you, we have observed for the last 6 years in NEET exam, 75 to 80 questions, same questions are repeated. Same questions are repeated because we have more than 10,000 questions we have. Out of 10,000, 80 questions are same question, it is repeated. Kindly follow. So that means 80 means what? 4 into 80, that is you will get 320 marks, easily you will get now. Then if you are a good student and you can easily answer we can say 80 question for example, so you will get 320 again. So 640 minimum you will get. So 640 to 700 definitely you will get. Even a very dull student, they will get 500 marks out of 720. Please follow, my dear students. Now, the other two important in the information regarding metadata I want to give. What is the most important here? It is the test, the method of attending test is most important. So there is a menu called attempt. If you enter the test menu, and 1, 2, 3, all the chapters will be there, unit test will be there. So for example, chemical kinetics, press chemical kinetics, attempt. If you press, it will immediately a window will open. It will ask you, this unit has 45 questions. Each question carries, each question has 4 marks. If you answer correctly one question, 4 marks awarded. If it's a wrong answer, -1 awarded. Are you ready? It will ask. Then you click OK, immediately window will open. In the window, you can see here there is question 1, A, B, C, D option. Then there are 3 menu here. And there is here again another 1 to 45 questions, yellow color. So 1 to 45 questions in yellow color, it will be there. Kindly follow. So suppose when you are looking for this, so you feel that if your A is the correct answer, you kindly put tick. When you click it, you can see, observe in Wikidata, the question number 1 becomes yellow to green color. Question number 2 become blue color. All the remaining color will be yellow. So this advantage is not available in any other online coaching center. Please follow. In other online coaching, please follow. So what is the advantage? You yourself know which question you have attended, which question you have not attended. You can able to see here. That is one. So here I want to give one important advice to you to get more than 600 plus mark. You have to follow 3 steps, whether it is Wikidata or in the NEET All India examination. First step, you take botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. You click only known question. Step 1, Answer only known question. Let us assume there are 200 questions. So 100 question you know, 100 question you know clearly. So you are having now 400 marks with your hand. Okay. Now go again, second step. Botany, zoology, chemistry, and physics. Now theoretical question, but difficult. Immediately you have not known immediately. You have to think. So think twice, thrice logically, and you come to the conclusion. If it is more than 80% logically, it is correct. You put click. If it is less than 45%, it is valid. Don't put. Please leave the question. Okay, second step. That is from botany to physics you have to go. The third step, go to chemistry and physics, the problems. And problems, when you read now, please identify the problem, what topic it is asked, and they introduce the formula, substitute proper units, multiply, divide, everything, do, and finally identify the answer, and compare with the option A, B, C, D. If the answer you are getting is present in any one of the four, then you can put a click. Kindly follow. Based on the step 2 and step 3, so definitely you will answer minimum some, let me say, let us say now 60 questions, let us say. Out of 100, some 60 questions, let us assume you are answering. So 4 into 60, now consider 4, 240. So already 400 plus 2, so 640 marks you are getting now. Please follow. If you are still very good student, you will go to up to 700. Kindly follow. This is the method you have to follow, my dear students. Even adult students, they can get easily. Please follow. Now let me come for the another the menu which is not available in other online coaches that is called review. So, because when you are attending Vettidatas, you are taking practice how to face the NEET entrance examination conducted by India. So, we are giving exactly same as NEET we are giving, model, method, same procedure we are giving. So, what will happen here? So, immediately after completing, there is a 3 menu. One center will be complete, right side it is next, this is complete. Left side it is the reverse. So using this menu, you have to proceed the next question, like that. Kindly follow. After completing all the questions, most important condition, please keep it in mind. It is not necessary to attend all the 200 questions. Not necessary. When they are giving, only this year they are given 200 questions. So 5 questions each subject is choice. So actually you have to attend only 180 questions. So total marks only 720. Kindly follow. So it is not necessary to attend all the questions. So you have to attend only known questions. So you will not unnecessarily lose marks. Okay. After this, complete everything. Click the complete or submit menu. If it is, immediately, now in the case of Vettidatas, we have complete menu. If you click, a window will open. A window will open. What question number 1 will be there? Option A, option B, option C, option D, and correct answer, it is there. Suppose you have clicked A is the correct answer, it will be in blue color. So correct answer will be in yellow color. Kindly see below, there is a video solution. So what will happen now? So suppose your answer is in blue color, correct answer in yellow color, you compare and see same or difference. If it is same, correct. If it is different, wrong. Okay. Then go for solution. Click, you have to view all the solution. Click the video. The professor handling the classes will explain, will read the question, will read the option, will give definition, the explanation, and derivation if it is necessary. If it is a problem, he worked out everything he will do. Minimum 10 to 15 minutes he will discuss about the question. But when you go for other online coaching center, they will give a single word or one line, that's all, as solution. Please follow. So we are far better than other online coaching in this way. So you are getting more than 10,000 video solution answer is available. So if you are a very good student, once you see the video solution, the next time the same type of question, if it is repeated, you can easily answer. Because you can very easily recollect. Kindly follow. This is the most, that's why there is a menu called review menu. So you have to press and you can see like this. Kindly follow. Okay, right. The next, another most important is our online coaching is low cost. Even very poor people can afford. Only 10,000 rupees per year we are charging for all the 4 subjects. How to pay? You have to pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Sandhi, Director of Vetri Coaching Chanda, in Indian Bank, Kamarajale Pondicherry. That is, you can pay anywhere you like, but in the name of Indian Bank, account number 71271 9471. That is the account number. IFC code IDIB 000P134. Then contact if you have any problem or anything. My number, WhatsApp number also this is 98941 76425. My dear students, after paying the amount, give the proof they send the proof to this WhatsApp. Within 10 or 15 minutes, I will send you a secret code to you. Using that code, secret code, you can operate at your daughters for 1 year. So best of luck. See you again in the next class. Bye-bye.